Welcome to Rediscovering Inner Universe. Here I am going to talk about forgiveness. Do you know? Forgiveness matters a lot for our emotional well-being. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting and excusing the situation or the person who harmed you physically or emotionally. It is more than that. It has a great psychological impact on us. Studies have shown that forgiveness brings peace of mind, reduces anger, anxiety, stress, and depression. It brings a feeling of empathy, compassion, and understanding for the person or situation due to which you are hurt somehow. If we cannot forgive someone and hold back the toxic anger, then gradually it causes our mental and physical health. Once we forgive, we feel light from inside. Forgiveness makes our life easier to deal with different situations and to openly accept them. We become more flexible. We can let go of things which are not causing any positive impact in our lives. We try to look into things from others' perspectives. We try to understand them. We start being empathetic, and this leads to compassion. This helps us to expand ourselves emotionally. We start caring for others. The closer a person, the more difficult it is for us to forgive them, as the impact of a close friend hurting you is more than any stranger, even when the situation may be similar. Though there are cases in which forgiving the other person or a group of people is next to impossible. However, it is necessary for our mental health and psychological well-being. Because when you hold on to hatred, resentment, you are the one who is hurting yourself. Therefore, you should let go of all the toxic feelings and embrace life as it is. Few practices can help you to master the art of forgiveness. It may be a little difficult initially, but with practice, you will soon be able to forgive others. So, the next guided meditation is on forgiveness. Enjoy the meditation, and for better result, you need to practice it for minimum 21 days to 1 month. Thank you.